ready to take your drawing skills to new heights. Today, we're sketching the instantly recognizable JetBlue airplane. First, lightly sketch a long, slightly tilted oval. This will be the main body of the plane. Don't press too hard. We'll refine this shape later. Draw a horizontal line through the middle of the oval. This will help us keep things symmetrical. Now, at the front of the oval, start shaping the nose of the plane. Make it slightly pointed and sleek. Erase the excess oval line as you go. At the back, refine the shape into the tail. Imagine a gentle curve upwards again. Erase any overlapping oval lines. Let's add the wings. Draw one wing extending from the body towards the left, and the other extending towards the right, making sure they angle slightly upwards. Notice the angle, and keep the line straight. Now, sketch the tail fin. This will be a vertical shape extending upwards from the tail of the plane. A simple triangle shape works great. Under each wing, draw a small oval for the engines, one on each side. Position neatly underneath the wings. Time for details. Draw a series of small, evenly spaced ovals along the top of the plane body for the windows. Now, add the iconic JetBlue logo on the tail. Simplify the design if needed. Focus on the general shape and colors. Let's add some shading. Use light, gentle strokes to add depth to the underside of the plane, around the windows, and near the engines. This will make your drawing pop. And there you have it, your very own JetBlue airplane drawing. Feel free to add more details and customize it to your liking. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing tutorials.